The SMOK TFV12 Prince in 60 seconds. The TFV12 Prince is another great outing by SMOK. First off, this tank comes standard with an 8ml capacity for those who want to vape the day away, and a 5ml spare glass as well. It also has 2 adjustable bottom airflow ports and a push open top fill. I'm always a fan of push open top fills for their ease of use, and better yet, the TFV12 has a noticeable snap, so it feels that much more secure. The tank has a 24mm wide base, so it fits most any mod pretty snug. The drip tip is pretty swank too, sporting a really chill honeycomb design. The real standouts here are the coils. Now the SMOK TFV12 has 3, count them, 3 different coils that can be used depending on your specific taste. The Q4 rated for 0.4 ohms, the X6 rated for 0.15 ohms, and the T10 rated for 0.12 ohms, having 4, 6, and 10 cores respectively. Having tried all 3, I can say I'm the biggest fan of the X6. The Q4 has amazing airflow and the T10 gives you the best clouds, but I feel the X6 gives the best blend of the 2. But I'd suggest trying out all 3 to find out what fits your cloud creating needs best. All in all, with 3 colors to choose from and 3 coils to play around with, you'll have a blast customizing this tank and turning your house into the opening scene of a Stephen King novel. Ooh.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Check out our other videos here, and don't forget to subscribe.